Hi guys, it's Shimi. So it's Friday, so I wanted to share with you just a quick little process video of me playing in my junk journal. This month is Junk Journal July with Meg's journal. So she has a whole bunch of prompts that you do every day for 30 days, and you create a beautiful junk journal full of beautiful pages. So it's been really fun. It's all over Instagram. It's a really fun challenge. So if you haven't checked it out, I suggest that you do. And they're a great community. I've gotten lots of comments and stuff on Instagram about my pages. So this is not a part of one of the prompts, but I just wanted to play a little bit in my junk journal. And you see there that I finally realized that I should put a clip. And I'm just using my Heidi Swab stapler, mini stapler, just to staple some things together. I really love that technique. Dana Winkley uses that a lot, and I think it's awesome to just staple things. So it's great. So now I'm just going to put in a little, I just ripped a tag, and I'm going to put in just a little bit of ribbon. So this is just really fun. It's all about just building layers and just having a great time. I have the picture that you see of the lady with the baby. It is a calendar that someone sent me that has like all like old beautiful like historical or traditional paintings. It's really beautiful, and so I've been using that a lot. I've been wanting to use that up, but it's been something precious that I've been hoarding because the pictures are so beautiful, and they're from all sorts of amazing artists. So really fun. And I'm just going to glue everything down. I'm going to let you watch the process. I hope that you're having a wonderful week. And next week, something very special is happening. So keep your eye out on that. And there'll be a very special guest on this channel. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope you're doing very, very well. And I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye-bye. Hi, so I forgot one more thing to share with you. I have a big sister from the Big Brother Big Sister program, and I remember that when I used to go over to her house, she used to always give me roses from her garden. And so when I was thinking about text to add to this page and I saw kind of this mother and her baby, I thought, well, that's love, you know, that she's pushing this baby and it looks like she's having a great time. And I was talking to my big sister and I just thought about this sweet memory that she used to always give me roses. And it was so I'm going to put in the words in this page is remember love. So you know, we think sometimes that it takes big grand gestures to love people, but sometimes it can be the most simplest things, you know. And I was an awkward, I still am awkward, an awkward little teenager, but it meant the world to me that someone thought enough to always give me flowers and to always build me up and always say beautiful things to me and spend time with me. So it's important that we remember love and know that that every little action that we do that is filled with love has such a lasting impact on the people that we love. So I just wanted to share that with you. So you can continue watching. Bye.